Welcome back to Giggle Thinkers! Are you ready to play and learn? Fun with letters and phonics through playful stories and songs. Let's giggle, guess, and grow together. What letter does the word apple start with? What sound does the letter B make? Which animal starts with the letter C? What letter comes after E in the alphabet? Which word starts with the letter H? What does the letter D stand for in the song? Which of these letters is a vowel? What animal makes the sound ribbit and starts with F? Which of these objects starts with the letter K? What is the last letter of the alphabet? What letter does the word ball start with? Which letter makes the sound S? Which animal starts with the letter E? What letter comes right before J in the alphabet? Which word starts with the letter R? What does the letter L stand for in L is for? Which of these letters is a vowel? What animal starts with the letter Z? What letter comes after M in the alphabet? Which of these objects starts with the letter T? Thank you for watching Giggle Thinkers. Make sure to subscribe for more learning and fun.